Welcome back. Your sex life is about to get a breath of fresh air thanks to a revolutionary new treatment designed to treat erectile dysfunction at its source. And patient care advisor Bill Jeffries has the details for us. Nice to have you back here.
Thanks, Alex.
So we've talked about this a couple times, but for the sake of our viewers who have not seen this topic or heard about it, what is ED specifically and what causes it?
It's a blood flow issue. It's a plumbing problem. As we age, plaque and whatnot builds up in our blood vessels, as this image shows, and it progresses over time. You know, if you look at the progression age-wise, and it just causes blood flow issues that then result in ED for guys.
And what you're saying is this really can't be helped, this buildup. It's something that happens as we age. It might happen more to some people than to others, but the way to treat it is really at its source with a new technology called acoustic wave therapy, right? What does that do specifically?
Well, what the acoustic wave therapy does, Alex, is it breaks up the plaque that forms, and I think we're going to have an image here coming up that shows that, but as this plaque buildup occurs, we use the acoustic waves to break up this plaque and restore the natural function of those blood vessels by restoring their full diameter and their elasticity.
And we should mention too that, you know, in traditional means we've used maybe pills, injections in some cases, surgeries. This doesn't require any of that. It's non-invasive. So how effective is it, and what's the track record for those sort of just now hearing about it or wondering?
Sure. Our track record is about 80 to 85% of guys that we treat are able to achieve their erectile goals and just kind of pick up their intimate life again where maybe it wasn't so good before.
Right, it can have such an impact. And we've talked about that too, the mental and the emotional impact it can have on you, on your partner, on your relationship. If gone unchecked for a long time, I mean, it could really do some harm to your relationship. So obviously health is looking at the whole picture, right? So what if someone has, say, diabetes? Are they good candidates to still get this?
Absolutely. Okay. Diabetes is one of the manifestations is poor circulation. And so if the diabetes didn't cause the ED, it's certainly a contributing factor. But the acoustic wave treatment also promotes new blood flow, and we deal with those circulation issues, and patients see an uptick in their circulation overall, not just their ED function, but overall circulation.
Yeah, I mean, even if you don't know that much about medicine, you know that good circulation, it means good health. I mean,
it does.
That's just something that I think we all have in mind. And so what if you go to your doctor and they say something like, you know, Matt, you're 65, you're going to have to deal with this the rest of your life. What would you tell the person who went to see that doctor?
With all due respect to those hardworking physicians, family doctors, I would just say, get the facts, get the details. You know, I think about both of my grandfathers died in their early 40s from heart attacks, and at the time that they lived, they didn't have the technology, and it was just accepted that, okay, you have a heart attack and you die. Right. If my grandfathers were alive today and had that kind of situation happen, I'm convinced that we would be able to save them and they'd, you know, continue on with a healthy life. Same thing with ED. You know, for a long time it was, okay, you have ED, that's it. But we have hope now because of this new technology that restores the body's natural function.
Amazing what the 21st century can do, right, for medicine. I mean, it can really change your health for the better. It can change, again, it's all about the relationship too, right? If your guy is having struggles, it affects you as well. And so if couples struggle starting that conversation, what's some simple advice you can give them to sort of get the topic rolling?
Well, understand that it's a medical condition. Yep. It's not something that you did wrong. It just happens to guys naturally as we age. And for the partner, I would say do the research and find out that it is just a medical condition. But the good news is that we can restore hope because we can fix it.
That's right. Communication. It could even open a whole new avenue of communication for you and your partner. So usually you give us a great special. There's two today. Tell us about the first one. I'll tell them about the second one.
Awesome. During the month of December, we have a special that anybody that signs up for a treatment program, we have a natural supplement that is a great adjunct to the acoustic wave therapy. And we're going to provide a 2.5-month supply of this supplement. It's a $75 value, and we'll just include it with the treatment plan, but it kind of kickstarts the whole situation with blood flow.
Fantastic. That's just the cherry on top. So that's a $75 value. I'm going to tell them about a $200 value. Bill Jeffries, as always, thanks for being here. Nice to see you.
Thanks very much, Alex.
And there's never been a better time to restore hope to your love life and to your life. You can get a free physical exam and consultation if you mention the Morning Blend. That's, again, a $200 value. If you want more information, visit flagstonemedical.com or call 520-600-4405.